after a couple of years, I had to clean this thing again. Did it with just an eraser last time. This time I got some electrical cleaner. So I squirted some in there with the red tube. Squirted some in there where it goes in, and then blew it out, and then let it dry for a couple hours. So now I gotta put it back in, see if it'll work. Because the buttons don't work. It just says SE on it. And the buttons don't do anything like a couple years ago. Let's see. It wasn't easy to get out either because there's no buttons to depress or anything. Said to pry it out. Let's see. It goes in a certain way. Let's see. Okay. Put this back in. All right. Okay. It's working. if you saw it because I didn't have a light on it. Anyway, this is that ribbon thing. I had to pull it out of there and clean it. Also, the fan that kept coming on by itself, off and on by itself. So I cleaned that connection there and sprayed some of that stuff on that and wiped it off and let it dry and installed this. So if the fan just keeps coming on by itself, we can just turn it off with this and then turn it on when we need it. Hopefully it won't do that anymore. The fan going by itself. To the left, to the right. Left to right to get it on, and right to left to get it on. Seems to be working okay now. Yep.